Did you know over 1.2 billion watt-hours of energy is consumed every day to charge smartphones in the United States alone?
Our phones, tablets, cameras, the devices we love to use throughout the day, and yet they keep us tethered to a power outlet. What if you could get off the grid and plug into the sun? With Helios by Solpro, now you can. Solar power for mobile devices just got real. Helios is a breakthrough solar-powered smart charger, allowing you to power up to 2 devices in 90 minutes of direct sunlight. Helios stores enough energy to recharge your smartphone. In 4.5 hours of sunlight, the battery in Helios stores enough energy for up to 3 full charges of your phone. No sun, no problem. When you're on the grid, you can charge Helios like a normal power bank through its micro USB port. Helios offers 2 different USB ports for charging your devices, like a tablet and smartphone. Our smarter charger knows how to charge your devices to full in the shortest amount of time, all while preserving the life of your battery. Smart enough to power you anywhere, small enough to take it everywhere. Helios by Solpro.